What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. I'm gonna go over Fantom, guys, my favorite coin to trade right now. I've been absolutely crushing it along with members of my Discord trading Fantom. We're currently sitting at 329. We're up 10% again on the day, guys. On the last 30 days, we're up 80% for Fantom. Incredible. We're sitting at a market cap of 8.32 billion, 24-hour volume 1.58 billion. Let's hop right into it, guys. We're gonna start here. Wow, on the 1 hour time frame. Sorry guys, on the 4 hour time frame. So I've dropped in some buy zones here. What I like to do with my trade strategy is dollar cost average into my trade. A lot of my Discord members are currently trading this way as well. So I am currently holding a position in Fantom. However, I've set buy limits down at these levels of support, the 1.618 at 305, the previous swing high here, which is the 1.414 at 262, and another previous swing high. I'm actually going to give this a little target here, coming in at about 236. So if price pulls back for Fantom and my buy limits get hit, my average price comes down, my liquidation price drops, and I have more margin in the trade. And when we bounce, I'm in profits quicker, and the profits are much larger due to the fact that my margin has increased. It's an incredible way to trade, in my opinion. I haven't lost a trade in over 2 months, guys. And if you'd like full access to this trading strategy, you can join the Discord. It's right here, DCA Trade Strategy. We also have 1,000 members posting chart patterns, breakouts. It's the price of coffee. Incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader. So you can see here on the 4 hour, we absolutely exploded through the 1.618. So what we can do here to give us our levels of resistance is take our previous swing high, swing low. And I added, I'm going to pull this out so it's more visible here. Just a little bit of patience, guys. So you can see here we're hitting some resistance on the 2.272. See how we perfectly came up? We hit some resistance, we fell back on the 2. So when you're in price discovery, the best tool, in my opinion, to know your levels of resistance is to use the Fibonacci, guys. I highly recommend it. So currently we're holding support on the 2 right now, so you could definitely put a buy limit right there as well, right on the 2, and then set your buy limits down at your previous levels of support here at 322. Because what Fantom can do, because it's an absolute beast, is just consolidate and then continue to pump up to your next price targets. We have the 2 from our Fibonacci that's pulled from our previous swing high down here to the swing low, and then you have the 2.618 from this swing high to this swing low. I know it looks a little bit confusing here, guys. Coming in at about $3.80 for Fantom. Fantom has just been pumping beautifully. Look at this, guys. Beautiful pump, little correction, and an absolutely beautiful pump once again. So eventually I do think we will see a little bit of a harder correction. So just keep that in mind here for Fantom. So we may create a little bit of a bull pennant if we can consolidate at this level. What can happen here is we create a bull pennant, and then your breakout is the measurement of your flag here for Fantom. And that could bring you up, probably right up to the next level of resistance. Perfect, guys. It's crazy how that works. Right at $3.80. So if you see it start to break out here, that is your target. And then your levels of support here, that can also be used as buy zones. I'm just going to quickly take this out so things are more visible here. We have 322, you have 305, and you may not come all the way back down to 262 and 236. But when you set buy limits at those levels, your trade is protected just in case there's a flash crash, a swift sell-off. The last flash crash we had with Bitcoin, I was trading Fantom and I got liquidated for a massive amount. And I was so distraught from that trade that I wanted to stop trading breakouts and I wanted to figure out a better way to trade. And I discovered this dollar cost average trading strategy, and it's been working beautifully here, guys. So your target here at $3.80, future price targets $4.95. I'll quickly show you guys Bitcoin. I was watching Coins Kid, and he says we might see a bit of an ABC correction where you do a little something like this. You have A, you have B, depending on where your B wave is. Could be right here, this level of resistance, could be up here at 64K. And then you have C bringing us down to the previous swing high, which is down at about 57.8. Now we also have a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders for Bitcoin. So if we were able to hold the EMAs and we break this neckline, your target is up past your previous all-time high, right about 67.5K. So watch the EMAs on the 4 hour. I think if we lose them, and especially if we were to lose this level of support here at 60K, then we can come down to 57. But as of right now, if we bounce off the EMAs, especially if we can break this level of resistance and break our previous all-time high, then we're good to go for continuation. So just something to keep an eye on here for Bitcoin. So that's basically it for Fantom, guys. Just keep an eye on this little pattern here. We have our bull pennant. Your target's up at 380. Your levels of support 322, 305, and 262 for FTM. All right, guys, let's quickly open up the hourly, see if we have any bearish divergence or anything like that. No, we don't have a bearish divergence, but you can see we got quite overbought. We've come back down into a healthy range on the RSI on the 1 hour time frame. All right, guys, quick shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of those incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. They also have Crypto Earn, where you can earn incredible interest. This is my favorite part of Crypto.com, is the DeFi wallet. In the DeFi wallet, you can earn up to 12% on Crow. I currently have quite a large bag gaining interest in my DeFi wallet, but they have Crypto Earn, 6% Bitcoin, USDT Tether 12%, Ethereum 6%. You'll never see that at the bank, guys, and they've recently partnered with the UFC. You can see it's smack dab in the middle of the UFC jersey, which I think is really, really cool, guys. And they've also partnered with the Philadelphia 76ers here, right on their jersey as well in the NBA, which is super awesome in my opinion. So incredible time to get involved with Crypto.com. $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash that like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you'd like to. Check out the Discord and Crypto.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.